In continuing with the Panchen Lama and the art, paintings, and sculpture, we really have to divide the paintings up between individual compositions and sets of works. Now, for sculpture, often pieces were done individually, but occasionally they were done in sets of either incarnation lineage or as a Panchen Lama belonging to a larger set of possibly the Lamrim lineage or another such lineage of teachings. Now, back to the paintings. With paintings, we have individual one-off compositions, and then we have sets. Now, there are a number of different sets that have been identified, but by and large, the most important set is the Nartang set. And this was created, well, it has to be probably closer to 1760, 1770, 1780, because the last figure in the painting set is the third Panchen Lama, Lobzang Yeshe. According to the Tashi Lumpo system, he would be the sixth Panchen Lama. Remember, we talked about how there's two different systems of enumerating the Panchen Lamas. There's the Ganden Podrang, which is the earlier system, and then the later Tashi Lumpo system, where they incorporate what were considered pre-incarnations. They make the main first, second, and third incarnations. But we've already talked about that. So the most important set in relation to art is really the Nartang set. This Nartang set, now it has this name Nartang, but we have to assume that it was originally painted there and the block prints that accompany it were originally carved there. Now this set has 13 compositions, and only 3 of them are the Panchens as we knew them, the first, second, and third. And all of the others in the set are pre-incarnations. Now, who are these figures? Now, there's 13 paintings, 13 individual compositions. The central painting, because it was done at the time of the third Panchen, Lobzang Yeshe, he's actually at the center. And so to the other paintings are placed to the right and left in descending order. Now, it starts with Subhuti, King Yashas of the famous Shambhala and Kalachakra, Bhava Viveka, Abhayakaragupta, Golotsawa, and Sakyapandita Yuntan Dorje Pel. Okay, those are the main pre-incarnations. Then it gets into a little more complicated because we have Kedrup, who is a student of Tsongkhapa. Then we have Sonam Choklang, and then Lobsang Dundrup. And these are the 3 that are considered by the Tashi Lumpo system to be the first, second, and third Panchen Lamas, thus pushing the teacher of the 5th Dalai Lama, who is regarded as the first Panchen Lama, Lobsang Chukyi Gyaltsen, pushing him down rather than in first place as the first incarnation, pushing him down to 4th place. So, 11th painting composition is Lobsang Chukyi Gyaltsen, and then we have the second Panchen, Lobsang Yeshe, and then the third, who is the center of the painting, Lobzang Yeshe, who lived between 1738 and 1780. So this set was done during his time period. Now, since then, several other paintings have actually been created to depict the 4th, 5th, and even the 6th Panchen Lama to fit into this set. Now, what's special about this set, other than it's really the most the predominant set? Well, it is the predominant set. It's likely that 80% of the paintings, maybe 90% of all paintings depicting the Panchen Lama belong to this set. They are copies from this original set. So this set is extremely important because this is the majority of Panchen Lama art that is available in museums, monasteries, private collections around the world. So each of the compositions also has a deity at the top, top right or left, a teacher at the top right or left, and usually a protector at the bottom, sometimes a protector and a wealth deity. And at the very bottom of the composition is actually an inscription, and the inscription names the Panchen Lama or the previous incarnation. It names the meditational deity in the top, at the top, along with the teacher at the top and the protector or wealth deity at the bottom. So there's a lot of information packed into these 13 original compositions. So the most important thing to learn about these is that they are the majority of Panchen Lama paintings that we find depicted. There are very few other paintings depicting the first to the 7th, 8th Panchen Lama. The Nartang set is really the most important.